Good afternoon, everyone. Hello guys, so this is all the wood. The painter already done all stain on it. It's done, everything is done, and then tomorrow it is ready to put up. Look, and then the boys went to get some water because another day without any water today. Oh, I'm really happy about the wood. As you can see, look, it is really nice. What is this? I have like this. Yeah, pintar. Nalagi ni siya yung murag bubbles siya. Okay. Okay. I asked him what is this. He said, I just, wipe it. Because it's just only first coat, this one. And then now he's doing the skim coat, the thing, gate. He's doing skim coat. What did I? He said that's happened because it's too much hot there, but it's only first coat, so it's not. He said not to worry about it. This is the skim coat, guys. On this side, put paint, and this one is rocks like the shower. Everything here is rocks, the limestone, like that, like the shower. Gonna be like that, guys. So tomorrow, wait for the video, we're gonna install the wood for the gate. What is this? Oh.
Nawa makuha nila sa amin na. Primary laom. Mga suksok laom.
He said because it's raining, guys, and Sammy did not put any maybe epoxy here. Is a primer? Oo, katong epoxy.
Epoxy primer.
Epoxy primer here inside. So this is what happened. So butangan nagbalik. So he said we're gonna put more primer here. First we have to clean it and put the primer. Put this, look, you can see this. Looks, this one nothing, right, nothing. And this one you're gonna clean it again and put the primer inside. He's a good guy. And then his friend. Oh, palagi mo man. Oh, kalaya sino.
Mista ko. Oh. Nawa mo ihaw. Malagi. Bawal mo man tapok-tapok ron.
No fiesta in Bohol. No more fiesta. Yap said no more fiesta. Because guys, May 1 until end of May, every day have fiesta. Every single day have fiesta in Bohol. Because of Corona, no fiesta. Okay. I want to see how it looks like with this one with color. Asa may baguan niya, Kuya Long? Asay daanan ni kare? Kana di uwan. Oy. Pagkuha ko ng usaya. Ari kat mong tanawon na ginagtaod ba? Akong tanawon. I'm gonna try it if it look nice after the. Singa na polytrin?
Polyurethane.
Polyurethane sa?
Hudson, polyurethane tapkot.
I can't.
Para dito sa wanta, kawan dyan. There it goes.
Oh, wow. So yeah. It's gonna be look like. That's gonna be our gate, guys. It's gonna be the gate. Colors like that. Wow, it's gonna be beautiful. I'm so sure it is. Huh? Sige. Nice, eh? I like it. It's nice. Kani lang siya.
Mag-skin coat na, ma'am.
Dagi lang.
Balik ano, ma.
Ay na lang, unya na lang og kanang mahuman nagkuan at least imong naholdi karon ba. Oh, I forgot to buy this thing here. Daddy gonna kill me. I should buy this thing here. Grandma give me this. So, ito yung binigay ng grandma ko yesterday guys. I asked her. I wanna see how many. Ano na gonna-plant this today? Oy, nasira tuloy. So, bati na siya. Mabuhay mo na siya balik. I will ask Sammy to plant this one. Nadaot yung handa. I don't know what is the name of this flower, but I just like it. I have a lot of extra pots here. Yeah. I'm gonna put cow poop here. And then plant it here. And the other, because I have a lot, I will put it outside. And I will make a small garden here. All my orchids. I want to put all of my orchids here in front. Look at my flower. All dying, guys. Oh, this is a new color. Kugong. So this is what happened because it's raining and then Sammy did not put the epoxy primer inside. He has to, but he didn't, so now it's rusty, so he has to do it again. Look. Oh, it's a lot here. So, yeah. Okay. And how about here? Ade, how about here? What do you want to put in here? I want to put some planks of the wood. I think it's gonna be nice if you put some wood planks there. This is our house, guys. Hi. I'm sad about this. But Sammy can fix it. So it means tomorrow they can't install the wood because of this. He has to fix this first. So this is my last harvest in the mountain, guys. I don't have a lot of rice this year because I didn't plant. I let somebody plant my rice field and they give me some back. It's not a lot, just that one. Then my father gave me some. That's why it's 5 sacks. Rice and then this flour. That's why I went to the mountain yesterday and also checked my farm. This is the poisonous flower plant. It's really not safe for the kid. And then I'm gonna plant this. I'll transfer this one, guys, here, and then this big pot I will plant this, and then some of them I'll plant outside of the fence. I'll just plant 2 inside. I'll just plant 2 in the pot. Should be not the bigger one. This one is fine. And then all of this going to plant outside. Oh God, look at this chicken. I'm gonna kill you all. I'm gonna kill you all. Kan untam mo mga manok kamutanan, Kaya. Hey, baby love. No, what is no? Hey, say hi, Daddy. Hi. Mama ko bangs, Daddy.
Pink naman yung tanong. No, why?
Abi? What is Abi? You talking? Huh? You talking, baby? Okay, let's go. Let's walk. Hold hands, Mama. Hold hands, Mama. Hoy, you want Mama hands? She don't want to. You already put your lotion? Of course.
Oh, sexy.
Uncle Pinto said you're sexy.
Sexy baby.
Huh?
Daddy, daddy. Daddy, call daddy.
Garaya oh.
Matuara mo kung kuha na sila dun.
Sige. Sige. Go. They are finally here, guys. My God. May tubig? Ayaw na lang yung susi drum. Ibut na harap na ubos. Huwag ka ng mga white takob. Oh, sige, sige ko.
Hoy! Tia, ano na?
Poor guy, you have to do this. Tomorrow, I have to go to Ubay or Talibon to find a tank for this. So it's just only, you know, one time a day. It's not like this whole day. Whole day going there, fall in line, get some water, and come back and put it in the tank and again. It's a waste of time, guys. It's really a waste of time. Pila ra ka adlaw tong tubig ni ikaw sa Samison ah? Duha? Nagidyo na tag tubig eh.
Dayon ito.
Ah, okay.
May problema ng
Tulo raman to kakuanday.
Oh, hakon. Kani kaupat man eh.
May problema ng tubig og kuan madam. Mga tundako kay
Kausa raman. Or kaduha.
Sa duha ra.
Kaduha ra.
Ano ginawa? Ano kakuanta daw dito?
Ama to.
Sakay na aso ko nakita dito.
Maad to mampudnig ubay. Pasig nas ubay. Kadaghan ko nas ubay. Ug was ubay. Diretso na lang iskol. Water tank lang. Unsay hong palito nun. Ug kibaw.
Naglargo ni mga to. Magpa-schedule kung tahay ka pero wala gud na.
Hmm.
Pwede ka